How's everybody doing? Alex here with a video. In front of me, I have the MJJC foam cannon, the version 3.0. This was graciously sent to me from Chris at Carzilla. Bucky VW gets you a little bit of a discount there. Now, this being said, with the scent, no, I'm not being paid to talk about this. This is my first time trying this. It's winter here. We have a really mild day, so I'm gonna be foam cannoning both of these vehicles with what soap? I don't know yet, but you're gonna find out here shortly. So let's do a quick unboxing of this. So really nice packaging here. Opens up, you have a beautiful little card, just like the card you're gonna be getting for Christmas if that's your thing. Hopefully, maybe Santa can bring you one of these. Open it up, we have the main canister itself with a decent size opening at the top. Now the nice thing with this is that if you've seen any of the videos online from maybe Jamie the Cleaner, something like that, or other reviewers online, I'm Josh V, that sort of thing, has a bit of a quick kind of quarter turn action on here from this head right here. So nice quick little situation, which is great because plastic threading kind of sucks. Let's be real here, okay? So this one here also comes with a quick connect. It's an M22 14 or 15. I'll have to put in the description here exactly what it is. But this allows you to connect right here, which is a similar pressure wash thread, to this quick connect to allow you to do that. And then at the end of the day, we had a little tube. Now there is a 1.1 millimeter orifice. Now for someone as bougie as Eddie Cologne and you have a Krenzla, you don't need the 1.1 millimeter orifice. Chances are it's gonna blow your breaker. So I have the first generation active equivalent. So I'm just gonna rock the 1.25. If I don't have shaving cream foam, Foamtown USA like JTC, doesn't bother me as long as I'm getting it on the surface. We're gonna go ahead and knock that out. So be sure to follow along with the video and we're gonna see how this performs and I'll give you my thoughts. Okay, now we have the MJJC foam cannon here. I have about 2 ounces of the Incredible Suds. Please ignore the surging from the pressure washer. You make modifications, you gotta pay the price. So again, 2 ounces here, mixed up, and keep in mind, I do have hot water. Our water's pretty hard where I am, so we'll foam it up. I have this nozzle turned all the way to the right, and then the fan pattern is probably gonna be about perfect. So we're gonna foam it on, see how it goes. Okay, so initial impressions are pretty darn good. I've let the foam dwell a little bit because I'm doing a pre-soak and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Because you'd be like, hey, why aren't you pre-rinsing? Listen, I'm gonna do the rinseless wash. I'm pre-soaking it with Incredible Suds. It does have a bit of cleaning ability. Now this car is not coated, but it does have, you know, just bead maker and things like that on top of it. So I'm gonna foam the rest of the car and then rinse it off and go from there. But overall, this thing is a real winner. I really, really like it. So I've let the Incredible Suds dwell for a little bit. Now again, like I said, this soap has a bit of cleaning abilities opposed to just lubrication like a traditional pH neutral soap. That being said, does this replace an APC rinse or soak, sorry? No, it doesn't. Does it, you know, eliminate the need for a rinse? No, it doesn't. It just kind of helps loosen up the dirt a little bit, which will make my life easier for a rinseless wash. Is this the way you have to do it? Absolutely not. Is this the way I've done it before? Yes, and have had it yielded good results? Absolutely. So gonna keep knocking it out this way. We're gonna rinse it off and see how it is. So overall, the MJJC 3.0 foam cannon did a fantastic job with the DIY details Incredible Suds shampoo. Even with just a rinse, was able to remove a lot of the embedded dirt, which is a great solution. Really enjoyed the foam cannon. Carzilla.ca if you're in Canada to pick one up, and if you're in other parts of the world, check out the MJJC distributors where you are. Thanks for tuning in.